Hi, Doug Eddy here, and this is my Smart 365 mileage form idea. Since I've been working at Elzinga and Volkers, I've used this same form. When I got this form, it was formatted to update the mileage. If I wrote the mileage in here, it automatically transferred to here. But the same was not true for the dates. I would every week go in and update all 7 days of the week, update the week ending date. Well, I've decided to format this date, so all I have to put in is the date on Sunday and the rest of it fills in. I've done that. Sunday is cell A7. So I did equals A7 plus 1, equals A8 plus 1, equals A9 plus 1, and so on. I'm down to here. We'll go equals A12 plus 1. Enter. I'll come up here to week ending and go equals. We'll do this cell here, A13, equals A13. Enter. So now, beginning of next week, we'll make this date 1/28, 1/28, 1/8. Hit enter. Everything updates automatically the rest of the week, including the week ending.